guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your shopping list on the Amazon.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then you should search for the product that you would like to add to your shopping list. So tap on it, and here on the right side you should scroll down a bit, and here you can find this add to list button. So tap on it, and after that you should select the list to which you would like to add to your shopping list. So if you would like to check it out, tap on the view your list button. And here you can see your shopping list and the item that has been added to this section. If you would like to remove it, tap on this delete button in the right side, and as you can see, it has been deleted from your shopping list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.